Hi everyone, in this episode I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can pay with Nectar on Argos. So in order to pay with Nectar on Argos, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you have to sign in. So for that, open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in argos.co.uk, and then you need to first of all add the Nectar details. So for that, go to the account section and that's going to take you to the account info page where you can lots of information. Over here you need to go ahead and tap on ways to pay, and here you can see there's this instruction on how you can actually go ahead and use your Nectars. So first of all, you need to link your Nectar account. So go ahead and tap on Nectar or link your Nectar account and enter in the following information. After that, you'll need your Nectar account password and a card number as well. And to collect the points, you need to pay online. Wait patiently for 30 days and check your Nectar balance. And you can use the Nectar points in order to pay online. So that's basically how you can pay with Nectar. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.